In time part 1, we'll be looking at the characters for day, which also means sun, moon, which also means month, and year. So, sun and moon are pictograms, and they're pictures of what they represent. So they changed a bit, adding a line in their characters, and it's generally accepted that this is a filler because these are full objects, not just circles and semicircles. And these characters generally retained their form until when modern characters were written with straight lines instead of circles and such, when they started to look like this. So the modern character for sun and moon look like this. Now, sun also means day because days are based off the apparent movement of the sun, and month or moon also means month because months are based off moon cycles. So finally we're left with year. A year is also technically a picture of what it represents, but it's not obvious what that is because it doesn't look like it anymore. And also it's hard to imagine what you could use to represent a picture of a year. But I'll draw what it originally was, and we'll see if you can guess. Can you guess what it is? It's difficult. The top part is a character that now looks like this. And the bottom part is a character that now looks like this. And this is a rice plant, and this is a person. So maybe now you can guess that this is a picture of a person lifting a rice plant to represent the harvest, something that would happen once a year. Now eventually this character looked like this, and maybe now you can see where the modern character came from. I'll draw over it so you can see. Well, can you see it? That's where this character came from, and on its own so you can see it more clearly. That's the modern character for year. Now, as for dates, in China and Japan, dates are written with the year, month, and day format. Now, last time I explained that if you wanted to write long numbers in Chinese or Japanese, you need to put, say, a number before a 10, and then after the 10, if you wanted to write a number like 65, so that'd be 6, 10, 5. But in dates, it sometimes happens that people just write it out the same way that we would write out long English numbers. So for example, this year is 2, 0, and yesterday's a circle instead. It's more formal to use a character for 0, but that character is very complicated and rarely used. So we've got 2, 0, 1, 3 year, then 6 month, 8. Sorry. No, it's not even the 8th, it's the 9th. 8 day. Now, this is common, but you could also write the same way that we showed before. But since I haven't taught the character for 1000 yet, I'm not going to show that. But it's also common in China and Japan to use Arabic numerals, the same ones that we would use. so don't be afraid to use them either. Writing out numbers with these would be like in English if you were to write out 1. Spell it out instead of writing just the number. So that's it. We covered day, month, year, or sun, moon, and year. And in the next video we'll be looking at how to write the names of the days.